Tooth grinding and migraines. Did you know grinding your teeth can cause more than just dental issues? Tooth grinding or bruxism often happens while you sleep and it can lead to migraines, jaw pain and even worn down teeth. Stress is big trigger and since it happens at night, many people don't even realize they are doing it. Waking up with sore jaw or headaches could be a sign. The good news, a dentist can help. They might recommend a night guard to protect your teeth or give tips for managing stress. So, if you are waking up in pain, don't ignore it. It could be your body's way of telling you to take care of your teeth and your stress.